Hey y'all, so I'm going to be installing some short shoulder length crochet braids using the illusion method. So let's get started. So I'm going to just section out my hair. Okay, so we're going to start with the first row and we're going to make this into squares. Squares that feed into each other. So I'm going to take this first one, twist it up, and then feed it into the second one. And I'm going to try to aim to put the rubber band in the middle of the square. And on this last bit, I'm going to part out the rest. And then cornrow the rest. I'm using my hair butter to just moisturize on my way down. Super creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing, trying to keep the size of the part this size. Okay, so now I'm finished. My foundation. I have all these braids. And the illusion part's done. Okay, so again, I use my hair butter to just moisturize my scalp and my ends while I was braiding. It really was helpful, and it is still creamy even though it is cool. It's creamy because of the way I made it. So definitely check out the DIY hair butter video if you haven't already. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and install the hair. Today I'm using Janet Collection Tress 2X Jumbo Koi Box, which is 14 inches. Oh, okay, it's 2X Jumbo Koi Box Braid, 14 inches, and color number 1. So you see it's a little short. So it comes with 2 rows of braids, but it has 10 braids in total. So these are how the braids look. They have the curls at the ends. So the first thing I wanted to do was just tie my braid. So I'm going to pull my braid through the loop. And now I'm going to thread my braid throughout this braid. Like that, like thread it through. It matches the braid because my hair is very close to color 1B. So let's see how it comes out. Still going. Okay, so the braid is in. It looks good for like a back braid. If you wanted to, you would feed it in like more often throughout the braid so that it would be hidden a little bit more. But I only fed it in like 5 or 6 times. So yeah, so this is how long it looks. So let's do the rest of the braids in the back. Okay, so I finished the back braids. So now I'm going to fill in the front row or the front section. I always do the front first and then the back last. Okay, so this was one pack of hair. So now let's fill in the top. Ooh, let's see if it comes through. Okay, I don't even need it to come through. I just needed to do that so I can pull the curl through. Good. The next one, try to put this at the edge. So I'm only going to pull through the loop. Then I'm going to put the curl, the end of the braid, put the curl through the loop and pull it right through. Ooh. Alright, so we have this one. Pull just the loop through, not the whole braid. Stick your hook through that loop, loop on the end of the braids and pull it through. And then pull it until it creates a knot. Okay, so let's do it upside down to see the results. So this time we're going to pull the loop down instead of pulling it up. So we're pulling the braid down and okay, we still have the same type of result. Actually, that one looks better. What do you guys think? They look good when you pull them up. That looks so good. I really want to install these on my niece now because I think she would really like this. Oh, shout out to my niece. She's probably watching. Okay, I'm now on my 3rd pack. Next pack. Okay, so the front is done. So now let's do the back. Oh yeah, let me show you the front. Ooh, ooh, I can't wait. Okay, let me finish the back. Okay, so I used 8 packs in total. I have 6 braids left. Let's look at the back and make sure it's filled in enough. Oh, it's tight. So this is how we're looking. Alright, so I really like them. The box braids look real, like the individual, the parts look like individuals. It's a little tight. That's okay. So let me put on the PuffCuff to do like a cute style. Okay, I'm gonna pull out 2 braids. Ouch. I'm gonna use this PuffCuff size and clamp them. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, it fits. Now this is the style. It's really cute. I like it. I like it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for the box braids, the crochet box braids. I do have a discount code for the PuffCuff if you're interested. It's on the screen and in the description. So thumbs up this video. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.